Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of forestry machinery. From rolling chainsaws to powerful mowers, every video showcases the raw power and precision of these incredible machines. Start the engine and get started. M-I-N-J for OO is a powerful pressure, suitable for processing a variety of waste, such as C and DMSW and biomass. Rollway cutting system with open cutting table helps maximize throughput and reduce downtime. With its durable hardened steel, construction and energy-saving capabilities, it delivers stable performance and low operating costs. No, besides, we must be careful in every situation. Sweeping becomes quick and effective when using the Volvo 01 60C wheel loader, combined with the C350 wood chopper. The Volvo EW160C offers great flexibility, thanks to its easy mobility, while the C350 handles wood with power, ensuring the job is completed quickly and neatly. The tension of the chain will surprise you. The sharp sound of the saw blade resounds, mixed with flying wood chips, creating a scene full of power and vitality. Thanks to being equipped with a CATC 18 engine, with a powerful capacity of up to 600 horsepower, combined with the PT Tech 318 clutch system, this mid-range mill achieves optimal performance, delivering outstanding processing capabilities with an optimized torque-to-power ratio and a 20 for hammer rotor.